Tere õhtust, lugupeetud lapsevanemad, sõbrad, tuttavad. Mina olen Alar, Errori Breigi vanemate rühmade breigitreener. Nüüd, mida te näete, me kutsume seda Breigi battle'iks. Põhimõtteliselt on ta sarnane nagu lahingutele, mida rahvad on pidanud aegade algusest peale. Ainult, et siin ei võeta mõõtu mitte mõõkade ja odadega, vaid tantsuliigutustega üksteisele ära tehes. Asi käib niimoodi, et 2 rühma on üksteise vastas ja see toimub vabas vormis, ehk siis ma ei ole neile koreograafiat ette andnud. Igaüks teeb oma äranägemise järgi. Ja siin on teatud reeglid, aga ta on üsna reeglivaba. Ja süsteem on reeglina selline, et kui teie annate, siis nemad annavad ja vastupidi. Nii et kui teile meeldib miski, siis pange käed kokku ja näidake seda. Aitäh!
Come on, man. And with the local DDC news, Cool J with a trailer-free cutback. For a solo but tonight, don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. I'm rocking my pants, putting suckers in fear, making the tears rain down like a monsoon. Listen to the bass go boom, explosion. I'm powering, I'm on the competition. I'm towering, back is shot. When I drop these lyrics that'll make you call the cops. Don't you dare stare, you better move. Don't ever compare me to the rest that'll all get sliced and diced. Competition's paying the price. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. Don't you call this a regular jam. I'm gonna rock this land. I'm gonna take this city strong. And I'm just getting warm. Just like Muhammad Ali, they call them Cassius. Watch me blast this beat like a skull. Bet you never had beef with. Why do you live with me, the maniac psycho? And when I pull out my jam and get ready, got that mic go loud. How you like me now? The rebel will not allow you to get with Mr. Smith or Chris. Listen to my kids here. I'm blasting, kinda like Shaft, so you can say I'm shafted. English fill my mind, and I came up with a funky rhyme. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. Break down. Shadow boxing when I heard you on the radio. I just don't know